Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, thanks for joining me here again at Daily Doodles. And today I'm going to show you how to draw one of the new Pokemon. This one is Chi-Yu. So let's get started. I'm going to start drawing Chi-Yu with an eye. So his eyes are kind of surrounded by, almost kind of remind me of like two wacky raindrops. So I'm going to start with that. So we're going to do a curve and come on up to like a point. And now in that, like this part right here, I'm going to do a little circle. And then I'm going to do another circle. And now let's do another wacky little raindrop kind of shape. Okay. So this part here, this is going to be colored in all dark. And then next, let's do the shape of the body. So I'm going to start right here and come on up and then curve this. And we'll continue bringing this upward. And now we're going to do like the fins. So this part here, we're going to be a little bit flowy. And then bring it on back. And then I'm going to do another little flowy bit inside that shape. And then curve. And then bring this part downward. And we're going to do another little kind of a flowy fin right here. Do a little curve right here. And I'm going to curve down and come on out and come back in. And right where a fish would have gills, we're going to do like little crescent moon shapes. One there and one here. And I'm going to curve right here. Okay, so now we're going to do the tail. So this, we're coming on down and coming on up. And I'm going to do a curve right here. And another little curve. So up top here, we're going to do the top part of the tail. And it's going to go all the way up here to the corner of the page. And then bring it on back down. And I'm going to do a big curve here. And then kind of like a point. And then follow that same curve. And I'm going to add another little flamey, flowy bit up top here. And now let's add a little bit of, he's got like a symbol here in the middle of the face. So I'm going to do like a circle. And then that's going to be in another circle. And then we can do a little line right here. And come on up, make this a bit wider, and then come on up. All right, so now let's do the other side. We'll do a big curve here. It's the other side of like this eye part. And then we'll have another little point, just like we would right here. And that is it for our drawing. So now I'm just going to add some color. All right, so we are now finished our drawing. Thank you for drawing with me today. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to learn how to draw, and I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.